Good morning, Gordo. How's it going? So we got Derek's 2 engines here. We got to tear them both down. We got their totes, individual totes. You know, Derek's race car goes in there. Its daily goes in there. A lot more parts for the daily, the street car. So it's got a little bit bigger tote. It's got more shiz. You know, more stuff. Make it more accommodatable. This one's got a lot more sensors though. A lot more little things. So rip these guys down. I'm pulling the ATI damper off right now. So gonna go ahead and get this thing done.
What up, Emilio?
What's up, bro?
Just tearing this engine
snow
apart.
boots in the work? Is that bad up in Denver?
I was thinking we're gonna get stranded.
Nah.
I'm ready to start digging.
They said 4 to 6 inches by tomorrow afternoon, but we're gonna get like an inch.
6 to
What?
12, bro.
You making fun of my boots, bro?
Yeah, bro. Look, I wore my sneakers.
Yeah,
What are those?
Look at those, dog. And then
Hey, they're
when your
good
feet get
Colorado
cold, you're
boots.
gonna be like, damn, I
My
should've
feet are
put
getting
my
cold
boots
anyways.
on.
Yeah, his feet are gonna get wet, so am I.
Yeah. Well, I'm comfortable if you're wondering.
I'm comfortable. They're like,
Talk to me in 6 hours.
this is Derek's engine. We're just pulling it down.
Derek's?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then a couple hours from now we go outside and we're like stuck here. You're like, oh damn.
Maybe.
Emilio's got the boots.
It's not even snowing anymore.
That's still snowing. It's picking up.
Is it?
Picking up. Yeah, they said all the condensation in the air is going to turn to snow later this afternoon.
It's supposed to get worse later.
That's what they said. But we'll see, because they said it was going to snow last Monday, and it didn't snow last
Well, it's
Monday.
supposed to snow tomorrow too.
Well, yeah, but it didn't snow last week when it was supposed to.
Whatever. I like it when it snows. I
I
wanted
like
to
the
go
snow.
play in the snow. That's why I put
Let's
these
go play.
on. Just in
Let's-
case we
I'll
were
go
going to
play in
take
my
razzle
sneakers,
dazzle
bro.
out there with the.
Dude, let's
Oh,
do it.
dude.
You told me what I did.
What?
Yeah, what did I do? What did I just do, Gordo? What was I doing? Did you miss it?
Yeah.
Frick, what was it?
I missed it. I think you took the timing cover off and the timing belt.
And then what else?
Emilio came over here and distracted us.
I got the gear off, the timing gear. The keyway stayed. Look, the keyway's still here. We got to get a screwdriver, pop that guy out.
Don't lose it. I lose those all the time.
Don't lose it.
Do you lose keys?
No, I got magnet trays for that reason. Give me a little flathead. What up, Matt? How's it going?
dude?
There you go. What up?
What up, dude?
Good car?
Yeah, great.
Alright.
Alright.
I kind of missed some stuff, but he got the pan off. He got the
pickup
wall
off.
pickup off.
Windows trays
Windows
coming
trays
off. These all been cleaned, gone through. I gotta pull out the slosh tray. Put this all in here so we don't lose any of it.
Organized.
On our magnet tray. So yeah, we'll just clean Alan to get that out and stuff. And
Alright. Now he's starting to take apart this one.
yes,
Sir.
sir.
Some timing stuff off of this one. Got to get this one torn down just as much as that one.
Just so we can get the head of this one on. Well, not actually just as much because I don't have to fix the oil leaks and stuff on this one. So that one I have to fix we got to do a front main, we do a rear main, and we got to do an O-ring on the sandwich plate. But this one we just got to get torn down enough to get the head from this one onto that one. And then we got to swap the intake on this one. We got a nice Skunk 2 intake manifold. So just really dressing them up for Derek and getting things going for him.
Got to get it all situated.
Yeah. Sweet.
Alright. Got to pull this intake off. Got a couple more things to do. Alright. It's the last one.
You know we gotta hold it.
Ain't gonna move.
But I just put them in just like this.
Nice. Just like that, guys.
There we go.
No gasket left over. Nice and easy.
My gasket was in good shape.
Yes, sir. Stop.
We keep tearing her down. So we had a hose blowout. Fixing the end of the hose, and everyone's got to kink it. I got to kink the hose so that he can fix the end.
Ready?
Don't point it at us. Is it good?
Whistles less.
Whistles less.
Leaks a little bit, not as bad as
So
it
the
did.
end of the hose just blew off? Yeah.
Yeah, it just broke off.
Yeah, it just started getting louder and louder, and then I came over here, so
I heard it.
eventually it came off the gun.
Oh, okay.
They both have
Pulling the top end apart. Gotta get to the head studs. Pull the baby off.
Well, we got them all now, so this is a cool trick I got that not a lot of people do. See that puppy stuff. All
Wow.
in one.
That's pretty cool. Set it all in the valve cover. Boom.
Let's take it all one sweep, all same spots.
Not gonna lose anything.
Oh, super easy. Just
No.
grab the cams.
Now we can get to the head studs.
Yep. So the head studs are all in here. I actually think this motor has L19, so I'm gonna have to get gloves and do this the right way.
Yeah, L19s, they're special. Can't be touched by your hands or coolant or anything. They'll get weak or something.
So we've got this fancy ARP L19 head stud box, and it's got these sleeves for every stud. So we'll get gloves on, and then every stud we'll grab, we'll slide it in a sleeve, and then pour a little bit of oil in the tube, and it'll be good.
Boom. How you keep them fresh so you can reuse them.
Yep.
Alright, we got all the nuts broken loose.
Because
Just gotta break loose all
some
the
people
studs.
were borrowing our tools the other day, so they mixed them up. But yeah, we got all the nuts broke loose, breaking the studs loose. Then we're gonna zip them all out and slide them in those tubes. It'll be sick. So we don't want to lift the head off yet though, because we don't want any water to get on these.
Yeah, you gotta
Otherwise,
get these out first.
They'll be brittle, so we gotta slide these out first, and then we'll slide them in the tubes, and then we'll pull the head off. Man, are they torqued tight though? You can hear it in my breath. I'm tired.
Yeah, it was a challenge getting those broke loose.
Yeah, I didn't grab a breaker bar. I just used my ratchet, so it took a lot of work.
Yeah, these things hold a lot of power, but you gotta torque them really tight. Like the best head studs you can get.
Just about, except for brittle brutality.
Yeah, they do get brittle.
Yeah, they get brittle quick.
Blow a head gasket, they're toast.
Pretty much.
Alright, got our sleeves. Pull them out. Yes, sir. It's pretty sweet. It's a good process for keeping them good. Yeah. I think some people just use like a baggie, keep them all together, but yeah, we throw them all in. But these are they come in these little sleeves and stuff. Yeah, might as well use what they come in. Yeah, Jamie keeps a box of these sleeves in his box, so we always have some, so it's just something good to keep around. Oh, yeah. Just because it's part of packaging doesn't mean it's smart, yeah. Oh yeah, ice is scary. You always gotta drive slow on ice. Oh. I say Shane's a bad driver, but he's really not. He just gets stressed. Yeah. Because he's not driving. He needs to be in control. Like your dad. You know your dad always needs to be driving? Yeah, just like that. Quarters like that. Heck yeah, I would too. What about you, Bruno? I just always prefer driving. You know ice? You know ice. Especially on ice. Dang, yeah. Well, one day you'll be like, no, I'm gonna ride the bus today. Maybe someday. But that'll be the day that I don't have a car anymore. Then you'll trust someone to drive you. Yeah, exactly. Heck yeah. Exactly. So just don't ever sell the Civic, bro. Come on. Then you always have a car. You know? He would drive the fast on the school bus, he'd get fired. He'd get fired. He'd be pulling bus lines on everyone, though. I think he'd get promotion for the bus lines. He'd beat all the other bus drivers there. They'd all get fired. And all the other kids would get to school early. But you learn more. You get school before everyone else. More time to hang out with your friends. More time to eat breakfast if you get breakfast at school. Like, it's a win-win for everyone. Win-win. Oh, man. I couldn't wake up at 6:30. Yeah, Bruno doesn't wake up till 9. Sometimes. On the weekends. The older you get, the more you sleep. Well, the more you want to sleep. When you're really young, then you sleep a lot. Yeah, like a baby. Like a always sleeping every time you see them? Yeah, well, like sometimes they're not, but usually, babies are like sleeping most of the time. Yeah, they're cute. Dang, but you really played with the bunnies, huh? Ruin it? How would you ruin it? Someone scared them, huh? Ooh. The rabbit bites hurt. Do they really? Yeah, they got little buck teeth. I've never been bit by a rabbit. Yeah, they suck. That's why you don't want to catch wild rabbits. I caught one once. A really fat one. Really? Yeah, one rabbit. I saw that one too. I saw this big old rabbit. He was slow, and I chased that little guy down and caught him. And then the neighbor let him go like a day later. I was pissed. Wow. And I caught that rabbit. Now we're hard to catch that rabbit. The rabbit was probably going to die though, if he kept it. Wild animals. Yeah, if you keep it. The rabbit's tomorrow now. Oh, yeah.
There you go. Follow thing.
We'll just set this guy right here. Heck yeah, man. Isn't that sweet, Scarlett?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
It's big.
And this is the engine Derek got. Sweet little guy, huh?
Yeah.
Should do
Sleeved?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's been sleeved and everything.
That one's dirty.
Yeah, you better clean it, huh? I'm just kidding. Don't clean it. It's from explosions.
Wait, what?
That's what happens in here, inside the cylinders. Sure, yeah, I could do that. Pizza.
Pizza, pizza. Yeah.
So we got to get some new thread tape on this guy, or sealer, and then screw this one into the factory oil pressure sensor of the other block. And then we'll slide a new O-ring in the sandwich plate, and we'll put that on the other block as well. So it's coming along. What do you think, Matt?
It's cool, bro.
Yeah, it just spins great, man. It spins good. I don't know what that metal is from. Doesn't seem like there's anything wrong with any of the rods or anything. But yeah, it's awesome. Super cool. Excited to get this other one together for him and for the Civic. It's gonna come back with a sweet engine bay. So, thanks, Scarlett. That's awesome.